Hello friends. So today we are going to learn how to make your account on LinkedIn for the first time. So first you have to search LinkedIn. Wait a minute. Then press enter. So in my search history, it was showing linkedin.com. So it is directly opened. I have also opened it in another tab. So first we have to click on sign in. Then we have to enter an email. So I have entered it using temp mail. It gives you a dummy email for temporary purposes, and you have an inbox here, so you can use it. So I have set all things up. So just tap agree and join. Then what is my name? So continue. Click on I am not a robot. Then select the images for the captcha. Here we go. Now set your location. Mine location is showing Patna. You can uh, reset it. It is based on my IP address. So continue. Select I'm a student if you are a student. Then tell about your college. So my college name is, let's say, PSIT Kanpur. Then what is my degree? My degree is BTech. Let's say. Then what is your field of study? Computer science. What is your passing year? Let's say uh, passing year, right? Start year. Sorry. My start year is, let's say, 2022. Continue. You have to 16 years above age for profile, but you can make it whenever you want. So here I got my mail security pin. So enter it. It is asking you, are you looking for a job? So if you are a student, you can chat, no, I'm not looking right now. Or if you are a professional, you can looking. If you are looking actively, you can chat. Yes, I am looking actively. If you are not, then maybe if I see the right opportunity, but I'm a student, so I'm not looking for it now. You can skip it also. So here, the photo that you will set should be something which is a professional kind of, not a photo like घूमने गए थे, फोटो खींच ली, वो भी खींच सकते हो, लेकिन एक प्रोफेशनल लुकिंग फोटो हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छी रहती है. आई विल प्रेस कंटिन्यू. Then you can select some people that you know for connection. I will say continue. What is your interest? You can follow it from here. I will say continue. So here is the app QR code. You can scan it or download it on your phone. I will say continue. You can play games here also. It is a very fun game. I also play it. It is a very fun game. There is one game per day, and there are several games. Each game you can play once a day in a day. I will suggest pick one or two in first, then you can go for others also. I will say finish. So that's how you can create your account. for the first time. And yeah, I will show you my account also. This is my account. I will going to show you. Yeah, it has something missing like I didn't set up my skills and etc. But yeah, you can use it. I am going to show you my account. Just wait for the loading. It is taking time. Okay. You can also use premium at rupees 0 for 1 month, but I will say not now. You can get it whenever you want. So this is my an Indian account. So this is the professional looking photo I have used for myself. And for the background barrier, you can use something which resonates with your industry, which is resonates with your interest. Like mine is computer science, so I have used this. So this is my account. This is my account. So yeah, this is Shubhan's